I literally didn't give you a vlog. It's been a while, but today you guys gonna get one, you know. Now I'm in the shower, finna brush, and I'm also gonna take my Invisaligns. So I'm gonna show you. I don't want to be like really having pain right now, but I'm gonna try my best in order to give you like an angle and show you how I'm taking it out. So fingers crossed. It always hurts when I'm removing it because they're really glued to my teeth and there's like pressure, you know. So I think I might as well just not. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. See how my tail look like? With that Invisaligns, and these are the Invisaligns. There's like a little bit there's a little bit you know, some saliva on it, but actually you can just clean it and that's it. It does really stink at first, so you have to clean it with like fresh water, and if you can use soap as well, so that all the bacteria is gonna remove and all. So you guys can see it right here. I really like this camera, auto focusing. That's crazy. I'm really not disappointed at him anymore. It literally gets all the like focusing I want to show. So that's a really good camera when I'm doing unboxing and sitting videos. So, you know, this is done. Now I just place it here. Okay. Now I have to remove the top ones. The top one is the one who hurts the most. I'm gonna just close this. The top one is the hurts the most, so I'm gonna just try it right now. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Okay, that one is just a little bit on. Now this one. Okay, now. Oh my god. So basically, you need your two hands in the end to shake it, like to giggle it, I guess, with the two sides in order for it to come out without putting pressure on one side of the teeth or something. So, you know, brush your teeth really well because you're gonna have cavities one day, and I know you like chocolate or any candies like me, but honestly, I really don't have much. Okay. Okay, good. This video should be like morning routine. I really don't know. I may put that as a title. I'll try that. Okay, man. Okay, cleaning. Like that. Okay. You take this Vaseline, right? Not expensive, and you take some cream, also Vaseline, but this is more like Vaseline than this as a cream, you know what I mean? So what you do then, you take Vaseline, you rub it to your hand, so your hand is like smoother and everything, and like to both hands, right? And then you take Vaseline, the regular cream, or just any cream like in general, and then you put it to your hand like you put in cream, right? And then now you apply to your face. It's gonna be way easier for you like to put the cream on, and it's gonna take all the textures and everything. Trust me, if you watch this video, that was a good lesson that you just learned today. Right? That's how you clean your teeth 5 times a day in order for them to bright like this. But obviously once also I'm done with my treatment, I'm gonna still do it because now I'm used to it. That's one of the things. When you get braces and they tell you always to brush your teeth, you're gonna be used to brush your teeth always, instead, you know, just once a day or twice a day or something. You can be brushing more. It depends just what you're doing, especially if you're eating candies. No matter what time of the day, if you're done eating chocolate, usually you should always brush, because chocolate are the most that gives you like cavities and stuff, you know, besides other like fast food or something like this that you don't really take care of, really brushes your teeth. I can be really like a surgeon. Like, no, is it a surgeon? No, dentist. I can be your dentist, to be honest. I'm literally looking for y'all, man. I'm looking out for y'all. But anyway, I only got like 3 pizza. I mean, they were here like since 2 days now. So I'm gonna just take this plate right here. Okay. Take these 3 right here. Really need 3? Fuck it. Yeah, you know what? Because I was literally thinking having this. This was like a Arabic food that I bought last time somewhere, you know, close to my house. It's really good. You have some broccoli here, some steak and seasoned salad just on the side, some, you know, mixed rice, whatever, some potatoes. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this for later today, because I've been spending my money like ordering food for as much. So I'm gonna save for tonight, and I'm gonna leave that here. Anyway, I'm going to my mom's crib. I'm gonna go to my mom's crib. Obviously I'm gonna have some food over there. I don't really eat my mom's crib. I don't know, it's just me. Like, I'm not used to it anymore. But not because I have money. It's just me, like, I don't know. Can you tell me? But anyway, I'm gonna have some pizza right now, and then I'm gonna have some like a water. What I always do is that I get this cup right here, right? That's a big ass cup, like a Red Bull cup, whatever. Take this, take some water here, filtrated water, you know, be healthy. Now you pour the water all the way here. I know I need to fill it up, but I'm gonna do that later because it takes time, and I don't have time. So you have this water right here. That's really good for you. You're gonna be hydrated during the day, and then all the blessings gonna be on your way too. So make sure that you drink, and I'm gonna just hit my pizza. In fact, I'm just gonna do it right now. Okay. Stay there, man. Come on. I don't need to use this, okay? But usually you use this, you know how your mom says, right? Use this when you're actually putting in a microwave. We all know that. Okay. I always leave for 5 seconds or one second. I don't like when it goes beep beep beep. Am I the only one? Like, I really don't know. So I put 125, and that should be good. That was good. See the water? All empty. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna drink the rest. All empty. You do this, you're gonna be clean. Even though you smoke, you do whatever, you're gonna be clean. But I don't promote smoking, okay? So this bus, like, I'm always taking a bus sometimes. But yeah, honestly, I already got a scooter. I don't know if you guys don't know, but I really do have a scooter for, you know, the summer and everything. So it's just winter, like 4 or 5 months that I don't have any transportation. But definitely next year I'm gonna buy a car. But yeah, I'm not gonna take this bus because I'm gonna miss it, and I'm just right here. So definitely have to take this one. So that one is leaving in 12 minutes. So you guys want to see how I look like? That's how I look like when I'm out, you know, winter baby. Good news, guys. So basically right now I'm recording on my phone right now, my iPhone 12, and my camera just died. I don't know. No, it didn't die. So basically, like, my memory card is full. So apparently 64 gigabytes isn't much when you shoot in 4K. So that's how I look like that I was trying to say on my camera. And now I'm going catching my bus. But I guess the rest of the vlog is gonna be over my camera. And it's not a bad camera. It's an iPhone 12 camera. So make sure that you don't click off the video right now just because I changed the quality and everything. But yeah.